everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got an Asos November unboxing to show you, and this is what it looks like. As always, if you're new to Asos, I'll give you a quick lowdown telling you all there is to know about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what items I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Asos release a beauty box once a month, and it's usually within the first few days of every month. Normally it's on the 1st, but this box is a little bit late. So this box is in a subscription. They just release a box monthly and you're able to see on their website exactly the products that you're going to receive. So if it takes your fancy, then you can buy it. But if not, then you've got nothing to lose. You don't have to buy it. The cost of this box is £12, and they sometimes bring out special edition boxes. Like we've had a Bobbi Brown one, we've had a Clinique one, a Pixie Beauty one as well. So they tend to be a little bit more pricey. I think they're about £15 per box. Shipping on the Asos website is, I believe, is £3, but I pay £9.99, and that entitles me for a whole year of free next day delivery. So inside every box you'll receive 5 beauty items. Some items can be full size, but generally they're minis, or we've had some little samples as well. They say in the information how much of a saving you'll be making, and with this particular box you'll be saving over 60% on retail value. So as well as the products inside the box, you will get a little card which I'll show you, and it just gives you a very brief outline about the theme. It doesn't really go into detail about the products as such. So if I can find the information out on their website, I will link them all down below in the description. So underneath this video, see show more, click that, that'll bring up description, and all links and everything to this box and to the products will be listed down below. So I think that's it as far as information goes. Oh, I forgot to say as well, I'm losing my voice. Apologies, I'm just getting over a cold. If you haven't already done so, you're welcome to like my Facebook page and my Instagram page as well, both Diary of a Beauty Geek, and on there, as soon as I find out that Asos have released these boxes, I post them up on there. Usually thanks to you lovely lot that message me telling me if I haven't already seen it myself. So as soon as I find out, I pop them up on there, because these boxes have got a history of selling out super fast within days. So yeah, so if you really want it and you're really interested, then you need to be quite vigilant as to when they release them. So hopefully by the time you're watching this video, if this is a box that takes your fancy, then hopefully it'll still be available to purchase. But yeah, so I think that's it. So let's get on to it, open it up and showing you what I got inside. So the theme is Go Play, and I believe it's a party edition. I'll have a little read of that in a minute. So that's the little leaflet I told you about. And these are all, whoops, oh, you're not going to be able to see properly. These are all products there. I'll get them out one by one and I'll show you. So the information on the leaflet here, it says, get ready to plan your next BNO. What's BNO? BNO, what is BNO? Oh, I feel a bit daft now. BNO. I don't know. Anyway, we hope you're in the mood for a party or two, because the latest Asos box has all the face and body bits to get you ready for a BNO. Best night out? I don't know. We're talking everything from smudge-proof mascara, saviours, to after-dark eyeshadows that bring you drama. And then it goes on to telling you about the products that are inside the box. So I'll just grab the first item up and show you. And it just happens to be one of my favourite eyelashes out there. I've had these loads of times now. I've had them in subscription boxes and I've bought them, and every time I see them in like TK Maxx on offer, I get a load of them. It's Ardell Wispy lashes, and they are gorgeous, and they've got the glue as well, the duo glue, and it's a fab glue. It's a really good glue. So you can see there, they are really nice and wispy. They're too long for me, so I tend to chop them off about here. But yeah, they're just really nice. They're just really nice and make your eyes sort of like open and wider. But yeah, I just love them. I just love them. So that's the first item. Next, we've got another one of my favourite products ever. As far as mascaras go. Oh, my voice. Hold on. I'm having little mini breaks all the way through this video, which you won't see. I got lots of like drinks and things set up here to help me. Got mascara, and this is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. No, it's not. It's not. This is a Too Faced Damn Girl mascara for shamelessly thick and curled lashes and 24-hour wear. That's what the outer packaging looks like. I bought it this size, exactly the same size as this one, and yeah, I think they cost about £10 for the mini sizes. Obviously the bigger sizes are like 20 odd pound, but I just love it. It is a bigger wand than the Better Than Sex, but you can see if it's sort of familiar. I'll just show you now, hold on. So that's the Too Faced Better Than Sex wand. which is amazing. Absolutely, hands down, the best mascara going for me and my short, non-curling lashes. And yeah, that's the wand for the Damn Girl. So as you can see, it's similar shape, but it's slightly bigger. So I do love this. I absolutely love it. It's amazing here, but I can't use it on my bottom lashes because the wand is too big and I make a heck of a mess. So yeah, I tend to use this for the upper lashes, and then I use something a bit smaller then for the bottom lashes. So no, I'm chuffed that I got another one of these. All minis and things that I receive, I'm going to start keeping them, putting them to the side, and they're just handy for like if I go away for a weekend or if I go on holiday or things like that. I just think it's just nice to have like a little set of like mini products that I can just have in a bag ready to take with me. Or obviously if I run out of the mascaras that I've already got, then I know I've got more here. So yeah, so that's the second item I got. So similar sort of theme. When I first saw this, I thought, oh nah, I've had loads of these in the past. Sleek makeup is nice, it's okay. It's not my most favourite, and I think it's because I've received a lot of it in the past, and I believe we're getting a sleek makeup palette in a December subscription box as well. So I'm not too sure which one we're getting there, but yeah, it's not bad. It's not bad. The eyeshadows themselves are fine, but I just think I'm a little bit bored of sleek. I'm a little bit bored. I don't know why. Do any of you feel the same? I'm not too sure. But anyway, we got a I Divine. It's a mineral base eyeshadow palette, and in All Night Long. And I might have had this before, or a bigger version. So this is a mini. So going back to me saying like putting items away for a weekend away or something like that, I'm going to be doing the same with this, because these are teeny tiny. Got a mirror, but look at the size of those. They are super small. That's my hands. They are super small, aren't they? Gorgeous shades, a good all-rounder type of shades. You've got like khakis, creams, golds, browns, coppers. So a really nice palette with a lot of different shades there. So yeah, so for me, I'm going to put that to the side and put it with like my little minis. Next, we got an item I've never tried before, so it's new to me. The packaging is gorgeous. This is Makeup Revolution. This is Soph X, and it's a lipstick. So it looks like there. It's a lipstick and it's in shade Cake. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is a really lovely shade. That is gorgeous. Let's try my hand. Oh yeah. Yeah, and just a really nice nude type colour. Oh, I love that. Yep. Happy with that one. So I'm assuming everyone gets the same shade. If any of you get this box and you get a different shade, let me know down below, just out of curiosity. But yeah, so there's that. And lastly, it's a product I've tried before and I do really like as well. So this basically, it's a box of like lots of products I've already had or tried. Fortunately, I like them. And this is Smashbox, and it's our #1 primer, and it's the Original Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. So we've got a little mini version here. It's 7ml. So we're getting another handy travel size. So it looks like there. So I tend to use these just in my middle here. I've got really large pores. Haven't really got oily skin anymore. I've got normal to combination, but I've still got a big pores, so I like to use like a blurring or a pore filling type primer just there, just so that I can create a nice even base to put on my foundation. And I love the Smashbox ones, they do a lot of them, and also the Benefit ones as well, they're good as well. They're like Professional, I think they're called, isn't it? But yeah, but no, I really like this one. So yeah, so that's that. I'll just gather them all up and show you. So we've got 5 products in all, as usual. We've got a mini Smashbox primer. We've got a deluxe mini mascara by Too Faced. We've got Ardell Wispy false eyelashes. We've got a mini sleek eyeshadow palette, and we've got a full-size Revolution Soph lipstick. For me personally, I think it's an amazing box. I really do like it, especially these two here, because I know I love them. My favourite brands of mascara and my favourite eyelashes, so I'm happy. Because just these two alone would cost, what, about say £14–15? Yeah, so the lipstick looks really lovely. I've never tried that, so I'm excited to see what that's like, but the shade is definitely me. It's gorgeous. And yeah, the primer and the eyeshadow palette as well, they're all going to go in my little travel mini selection of products. So yeah, not a bad box this month. But reading some of the comments on my Facebook page, not a lot of you like this box. A lot of you are disappointed. So it's not going to be for everyone. So I think that's one of the main things I like about this box in particular, is that you're able to see the products before you buy it. So you get to see whether you will use them, if they're for you, or if it would make like a good gift for Christmas or a birthday or something like that. I think, yeah, I might get another one actually and give it to someone for Christmas, if it's still available, that is, because I do think there's some really nice selection in there. So yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Are you going to get it? Have you already ordered it? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big like, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.